Hello everyone, welcome back to a fresh new episode of Hum Tum or JavaScript. So today we will, basic a problem statement. We cannot say this. Okay, so we are going to create a function to generate OTP. Okay, basically we will create a function which will generate us an OTP. So most of the backend, when you will be working with backend, I think at that time you will be requiring this function. So let's start the coding. What we'll do, we'll create an arrow function generate OTP. Okay, so now we'll have an variable OTP which we will initialize it as an string, empty string. Okay, now we'll have a for loop. Let I equal to 0, I less than, for example, let assume that we are going to create a 6-digit OTP. Okay, I plus plus, sorry. Okay, so now what we will do, we will use a shorthand operator over here, OTP equal to OTP plus. For this we can use math dot or, and inside that we will require, okay, math again, math dot random we can use. Okay, so there are other way also, like you may have any other approach for the same, but currently I find this approach will work. Okay, so now we will return OTP. Sorry, we will return OTP. But now what will happen? See, we have kept this as a string. This will be returned as a string. Okay. So if you are returning this, so I will comment it over. Return string. Okay. And now if you want to return in number format, so we can do this. Okay. Same. So you can use any one of the approach. Okay. Whatever you want as per your requirement. So we'll comment this basically. Mm, 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 mm. Let me keep it above this. Okay. So it will be easy for me to do a comment and all. This will return OTP as number. Okay. S yes. So now let's log this to check whether it's working fine or not. Generate OTP. Okay. So we'll call this function. Okay. So see, we can see over here, right? It's generating OTP. Okay. So again, if we'll say, so it will change. Again, if you do an F5 over here, it will change. Okay, every time we are getting 6 digit. So now let's make this dynamic. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We will add a parameter over here, OTP length. Okay, and what we can do is like, okay, so here, so I will do, so this function is now dynamic. Basically, now we can get any length OTP. Okay, so I require length of 3. Okay, 3, so I can send 3 over here. Okay, so now I got 3. Okay, so new line, I will just add a comment over here. I write 4, 5, 6. Okay, I need 4, 5, 6. So you can see. Okay, and every time if we refresh, okay, so if you have any question regarding to this, you can comment below. Okay, and apart from that, I will be adding like the link. You can check the link in the description. Okay, so if you find this content helpful, do subscribe, like this video. Thank you.